The Tesla Cybertruck is still the most revolutionary car model the auto industry ever built. This made it a guaranteed target of economic espionage, with many car makers wanting to dissect it and extract useful information from it. However, getting hold of a Cybertruck was difficult, considering that Tesla's no resale clause prohibits owners from flipping the truck. We know Porsche dealer bought a Cybertruck in an auction. Another Cybertruck was auctioned to Ford, which was spotted charging at Ford's proving grounds, near Detroit. Rumor has it that Ford bought it for $250,000 and intends to test the heck out of it. Since the Cybertruck was bought by a Porsche dealer in Ford, it's safe to assume that car makers left and right have started the hunt for Cybertrucks and are trying to reverse engineer them. They have a lot of smart engineers, who will no doubt understand all of the inner workings of the Cybertruck. It's unclear whether Musk's company will go after the original owners of these Cybertrucks.